Hello everyone, I'm Emmanuel and welcome to the MVVM on Android course. A well-structured Android app is really important as this improves your workflow as your app grows. This course covers how to implement the MVVM pattern, which is one of the approaches you can use to structure your Android apps. The original course was produced in 2018, but the core concept still remains the same. I've gone through this course to make sure everything is working fine. The major change in the download materials was updating the project to use view binding over the now deprecated Kotlin synthetics. The project was also updated to use Kotlin coroutines over async tags, which is now deprecated. It is important you read the author notes of each episode before watching them to understand the changes. That's it from here. Over to you, Joe.
Hey everyone, my name is Joe, and welcome to this course on Android MVVM. MVVM stands for Model-View-ViewModel, and it's one of the more popular patterns for structuring your Android app code. In this course, I'll introduce you to the ideas of MVVM, and you'll get to use it hands-on inside an Android app project. MVVM helps you separate your code into different layers that each have their own responsibilities, as opposed to, for example, putting most of your app code into activity or fragment classes. By using MVVM, you make your code more readable, testable, and maintainable. These are key aspects of building a code base that stands the test of time and frequent app updates. CreatureMon is the name of the sample project we'll use in the course. The app lets you create characters to use in a CreatureMon game. You can assign intelligence, strength, and endurance values to each character. The app calculates a resulting hit points value for the characters. We'll first build out the screen that lets you create new characters. We'll walk through creating and testing the model, which will be independent of the view model and view layers. We'll set up a repository to let you store character data in a room database. Next, we'll create a view model and add unit tests for the logic contained in the view model. Then we'll connect the view model to the repository to allow you to save creatures into the app database. You'll then have a chance to try out what you've learned by creating a view model for the screen that shows a list of all the characters. There's a lot to do, but before we dive into the code, let's get started in the next video by taking a look at the ideas and concepts behind MVVM.